Welcome to this tutorial on how to find all your reviews by date on Facebook using your PC. With the latest updates, navigating through your Facebook reviews has become more streamlined. Let's dive into the steps to organize your reviews by date. First, open Facebook on your computer and click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu where you can access various settings and features. Next, select Settings and Privacy from this menu. Once you're in the Settings area, click on Activity Log. This section allows you to view and manage all your Facebook activity, including posts, comments, and reviews. Under Your Facebook Activity, you'll see several options. Click on Posts to view all the content you've posted or interacted with. However, to specifically find reviews, you might need to look for them under a different category, or use the search function if they're not directly listed. If you're looking for reviews you've left or received, you might need to navigate to your page or the page where the reviews are located. For business pages, reviews are typically found under the Reviews tab. However, if you're trying to organize personal reviews by date, you might need to check each post individually or use Facebook's search feature to find specific reviews. Now let's focus on organizing content by date. Once you're viewing your posts or reviews, look for the Date option at the top of the page. Click on it to sort your content chronologically. You can also choose a specific period to view by selecting from the available options and clicking Save Changes. This will help you focus on reviews from a particular time frame. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage and view your Facebook reviews by date. Remember, Facebook's interface can change, so if you encounter any differences, feel free to explore the updated settings to achieve your goal. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in organizing your Facebook reviews.